Hi everyone, it's Caroline. I'm talking very quiet. It's nap time and I'm trying to set this up so I can do at least get a page done. And it is the 12th and I'm way behind. That's okay. I have a baggie full of things that I just threw in. And this is a card. It's a blank card, but I like the image on here, and I might take that, well, I will take that off. So we're just going to see what we can come up with. We have been very busy helping out. Lots going on in their new neighborhood. Lots of construction. This might just get glued right down. I did bring glue. And I brought some, for colors, I brought my trusty, I feel like this is my travel paint set. I brought that, but I also brought, what else did I bring? Yes, I brought my Crayola oil pastels, so I'm going to see if I can do that. All right, now I'm using this brighter orange one, and you know, we just make it work. All right, at the moment, everything's being set up. This is working in the office, but it's still being set up, so I have to sort of go with the flow. I did bring blue butterflies. So maybe I could use some of this. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll use some of the ephemera. I'll use some of the tags. That's what I'll do. I think that'll be good. And what I will use, I'll use this to back it on. The brown card, greeting card that I just took apart. This one here is from the the bag of items from my mom's place. I'll glue that on here. Just cutting this out. This is going to be a quick afternoon craft. And I did not bring my punch, so I won't be able to punch a hole. I'll do the decoupage on there. And I'm going to use another part of the kit for that. I have my scrap, I have this scrap here, so I will definitely use that. And this is the ultimate winging it because I literally threw in, I didn't think hard about what I was going to bring here. I just grabbed some supplies from my desk. And I have this little space here to put something else on. And I'm looking at my gathered scraps. Let's just place on some little piece of coffee dyeing here. I like the way that turned out. That side I can do a little bit, I can find a word or something. And I'm going to cover this. Oh, I have this left. I can use this over here. Okay, so in my bag of tricks, I have these strips of scrapbooking paper. I'm going to use this orange strip. I'm feeling, because it's October, I do have the blue butterflies and I like the sort of the look. Now I'm going to do something here. I don't know what it's going to be yet on this. I do have some catching up to do in my journal. And that's what happens when you're not at your normal place. This looks like nothing right now, absolutely nothing. Let's just play around with that. Just using my little sponge with the blue on it. It's the broken china. I'm going to use this as a belly band, like that. And we'll just put that right on here. That can slide in like that. Yes, that's great. So from the ephemera page from the Blue Butterflies kit, I'm going to cut out, actually, yeah, I will cut these stamps. I think I will put this stamp over here. These are letters that I wrote to my mom a long time ago, and I brought them with me. I have a real stamp on here. We have a little visitor. We have, hi Tika, say hi. Tika, hi Tika. She's coming to say hi. A little bit marks here. That's very bright, so I might have to do something to just to lighten that up a bit. Okay, I did put this little piece of paper right here, the word hope from the card that I've taken apart. I'm going to put that in here. Going to put it on these letters. Okay, I'm going to finish this off. I did some journaling on here, and this is a card that I journaled on and just did some covering up with some coffee staining, and then I had this number, so I put that on there. And this is a greeting card that I just tore up. Used some of the stamps and the stamp up here, these two stamps, and this is from the kit, the Blue Butterflies kit. Made a belly band. And that is my page for today. It's very mixed up and quick, but that's what I had the time for, and my supplies are limited because we're visiting. But I still love it because it just helps me to remember what we were doing. I wrote that down, what we did, and the sun is coming in right now, and I really enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along today, and I hope you remember to stay adventurous and stay cozy. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Bye for now.